Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant stuttering or freezing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. For the best results, I recommend to follow all of these steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Select change default graphics settings. In here you can able to see the option hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You just need to turn that off. After that, go back to graphics and just need to select the browse option and navigate to the Valorant location. You just need to select the Valorant.exe file and select add. After adding the game, you just need to select option and select high performance over here and select save. After that, just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to update your graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust in-game graphics settings. To do this, you just need to launch the Valorant and go to settings and go to video settings and go to graphics quality, and you just need to set the following settings guys. After setting these, you just need to select the save changes option. Fourth step, you just need to lower your resolution and disable full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, find Valorant folder, doubling on it, saved folder, config folder. In here, you can able to see a folder with the name, numbers, and letters. You just need to double click on it and double click on the Windows folder. Now you can able to see game user settings. Just right click on it and select open with a notepad. And now you just need to scroll down and find scalability groups. In resolution quality, you just need to change this 100 to 75. After that, select file and select save option. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to close stuff here and right click on the Valorant on the desktop and select open file location. You just need to go back to write games. Double click on the Valorant folder, live folder, right click on the Valorant.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now go to shooter game folder, binaries, Win64. Scroll down and find Valorant Win64. Just right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility. Check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to update Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to disable background apps. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In processes tab, you just need to end unnecessary task. For example, browser, Discord, or other apps consuming high CPU and RAM. After that, just close stuff here. Seventh step, you just need to adjust power setting. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type power cfg.cpl. Click on OK. You just need to select show additional plans over here and select high performance. After selecting the high performance, just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to set Valorant to high priority. To do this, you just need to launch the Valorant. After launching the Valorant, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up a task manager. Now you just need to go to details tab and find valorant.exe file in here. For example, I am doing in chrome.exe. You just need to find the valorant.exe file in here. Just right click on it and select set priority and select high. Select change priority. After doing this, just close tab here. Now you can go back to Valorant and play without shuttering or freezing on your Windows PC. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.